Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. And what I'm showing you here is that this is a genuine product as far as a foam mattress goes. And you can see here, this is from a company called eLUX or eLuxury Supply. And this is really neat because this is a sustainable bamboo zippered covering, and just like you can see here when I push my hand on it, it is a genuine foam mattress. This is a 10-inch, and you can get this direct from their website, but I'm going to show you how you can spend hundreds less and get the same exact mattress, even shipped from their warehouse, eLUX, but without having to go and getting it from their website. So I took the sheets out just so I could show you, and I'm going to take you over to my computer and show you that I am able to get this hundreds less than what you would pay on their very own website. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so I'm at the computer screen right now, and I'm going to show you I'm actually at eLuxury Supply's mattress website. So you can buy your mattress straight from them. It'll ship from their warehouse. They give you free shipping. The way these mattresses arrive, if you haven't seen folks that already own them, they already come like compressed because it's foam, and then it's basically compressed with all the air pulled out so it could be easier to ship. But when you get it at your home, you take it out of the box, you cut the plastic around it, and then it inflates itself basically because the foam has been compressed. So what I'm trying to show you here is that I'm going to give you links where you can get the same mattress from the same company shipping out of their warehouse to your home for half the price of what they sell it. Yes, believe it or not, half the price. In many cases, half the price. And even some mattress size cases, like the Twin XL and whatnot, it's actually, you're going to save more than half. So on this one here, $9.99, I'm going to give you information on the links below in the description where you can get it for $500, including shipping. And if you're concerned about the product, like I mentioned in the video before, we actually have it in our home. They're CertiPure US certified. They contain flexible polyurethane foam. And if you look at the reviews, out of 146 people, 97% said they would recommend the product. 4.8 out of 5 stars. Now, you can look on other websites and see what people are reviewing about anything, whether it's food or whatever, and you know for a fact that out of 155 people, that's a broad audience as of today, you look at 4.8, and that's pretty good. That's not bad at all. So 4.8 out of 5 stars, I mean, that's as close as you can get. 4.9 would obviously be the closest to 5 stars, but 4.8 right there. And you can see how many people actually gave it 5 stars. 134 people gave it 5 stars. 15 gave it 4 stars. And then you have a few people that, I don't know, I guess they're from another planet. They gave it 3, 2, and 1 stars. But overall, you can see here average consumer ratings or customer ratings, 4.8, quality 5.0, value 4.9. And this is on their website. So they're giving it 4.9 out of 5 after they've paid full price on their website. I'm going to show you again how you can get it and pay half. But let's talk a little bit about instead of the value, let's talk about the product and the quality. Long story short, I had eLuxury Supply back in 2015. I had a queen size mattress. We moved out of the state, and I only owned it for like 4 or 5 months. Well, my parents came, they tried the mattress, they loved it. They were raving about it. And since I was moving out, I said, why don't you guys take it? And like good parents do, they say, you know what, how much did you pay for the mattress? And they gave me the money that I paid for the mattress. So fast forward today, we moved, and what do you think I bought for a mattress? Because they're hard to transport if you're moving to another state or cross country like we did, and having to transport it in a truck and all that. So we sold a lot of things, and good thing my parents took over that mattress. But when we moved again, what do you think we did? We bought the same mattress foam mattress. So they're really good. So you can see the different reviews from people and where they're from and their reviews and how old the reviews are. I mean, you can go on and look at this and see how great of a mattress it is from people that have actually slept in it. They will give you time to sleep on the mattress for 120 nights. So you can sleep on the mattress for 4 months. Try it out. If you don't like it, send it back. If you have allergies, it'll be good for you to know that there's no CFCs, no mercury, no lead, no formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a product found on insulation. It's not good for you, folks. Low emissions, so low VOCs, volatile organic compounds, if you're wondering what VOCs are. So these meet or exceed federal standards for, if it does catch fire, that's foam usually when it's on fire just like rapidly spreads. So this mattress has been already tested for that, and it meets the standard test. Top layer 3-inch, the rest is 7-inch. There's so many mattresses out there today that just have layers and layers and 3 layers and 4 layers. After we owned this one, we tried another one once we got to our new place, about 2,000 miles from where we are now, and we ended up not getting it again because it was a 12-inch mattress, had like 3 layers. We weren't happy with it. We should have stuck with eLUX. Well, when we moved back to where we are now, after 3 years, we loved it, and we went back and got it. My parents still have the mattress I had back then, so it's a great mattress. Again, I'm going to post a link in the description below. You do not have to pay that price, whether you're buying a king or a queen or a twin or a full or whatever, or California king. I'm going to give you a link where you're going to pay half of what eLUX sells it on their site. And you are going to get it straight from eLUX. When you get the box, it'll have eLUX on the box. It will have their shipping address because it's going to ship from their warehouse, but you're going to get it direct from eLUX. No middleman, no one in the middle there. You're getting it direct from eLUX. I can't make it any clearer than that. So again, look in the link in the description. And by the way, I've done so many videos throughout the years that are designed to save you money. Folks, we are living in difficult times right now, and people need to continue thinking, and sometimes you're going to have to think long and hard about every single penny that you have on your side. You want to keep it on your side. There's no sense in spending $1,000 when you can spend $500, get it from the same company, and you're going to get the same warranty, by the way. Okay? Proof is in the pudding. Not too long ago, we got a card from eLuxury, and I didn't even buy from their website. And I'm going to read what it says here. Thank you for supporting our USA business. We hope you like our mattress. Authentic feedback helps in countless ways. Would you consider leaving a review? And I have the link here. And it's even got a phone number. Please call me. And there's an 800 number if I can help in any way. Cheers, Nick Teagan, Customer Service Manager. And then it's got his email address also, which ends at eluxurysupply.com. So if you don't believe me, go ahead and click on the link and you'll see that I'm not blowing any smoke in the mirrors. I'm just trying to save you guys some money. So if you are about saving money and you've been thinking for a long time about getting a quality mattress that's going to help you sleep better at night, if you're having back problems, or if you're just having trouble sleeping in that mattress where the springs are coming out all over the place, then you do owe it to yourself to get yourself a comfortable mattress that you're going to try for 120 days. be happy about it. And if you don't like it, send it back. They'll give you 100% of your money back also, by the way. But you should at least try it for 120 days because, or 120 nights, because your body does take a little bit of time to adjust to it. Personally, on a personal level, within a couple of weeks, we were already adjusted. And from the first night that you sleep on it, you're going to be like, wow, this is truly amazing. So go ahead and give it a shot. Click on the link below. And if you have any questions or any comments, please post it in the comment section. I will be happy to respond. Thank you very much. Have a great day.